12 best settings for iOS 16.5 that I personally use and is also recommended by famous tech YouTubers. Use black wallpapers and don't use unnecessary widgets on lock screen. Set auto lock to 30 seconds. Turn off screen time. Turn off background app refresh. Turn off the notifications for the apps that you don't use often. Set location services to while using for your respective apps. In system services, turn off all the 3 product improvement tabs. Don't kill apps from your recent memory. Turn off fitness tracking. Turn on low power mode below 70% battery. In Mail app, set fetch new data to manually or hourly.